So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add text over an image on Google Docs. So a few different ways you can do this. So if I were to go ahead and type text right here, and I'll change the color to cyan so it's a little bit easier, you then have to go ahead and add an image to your doc, which I will do right now. So this is my lovely image. If I were to go ahead and select the image right here, I actually can't move it. The simplest way to do it is to go to this bar right here to where it says behind text. This way, when you go ahead and move the image right here, the text will be, obviously, I guess on top of it. Now, if you don't want to do this because it's kind of hard to move the text right here, another way you can do it as well is to go to the top bar right here. There's a bunch of different options. Go to Insert, then go down to where it says Drawing, and then press on New. Then once the Drawing tab opens up, I want you guys to go ahead and add a text box like this. So if you just wanted to create a text box right here, type in the word text. Maybe you want to just play around with it a little bit. We'll go 50. We'll also change this to cyan. A bunch of different options here, obviously. So let's just say this looks, we want to go ahead and center it. We also want to go ahead and center it just like that. So if this looks good to you, go ahead and press save and close. Now what it's going to be doing here is adding the text box that you just created here. So you can go ahead and move it around, do what you got to do, and you can kind of move the text this way if you want here on Google Docs. So a couple different ways, but that's how you guys can add text over top of an image on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.